How to use logic jump in a SurveyHeart form? Let's look at a job application form as an example to understand how logic jump works. The job applicant is asked to indicate if they have work experience. Selecting yes shows a list of experienced job titles. But if they select no, they will skip directly to the education section. As the form creator, open the SurveyHeart app to set up logic jumps on your form. Tap on the Add button, select Form to create a new form, and name it Job Application Form. Tap on the Add button and select the question type to add your questions to the form. For each option, create different follow-up questions. To enable logic jump, click the Logic button. For each work experience option, set a different path. If the user selects yes, they will move to the experienced job title section. If they select no, they will move to the education section. And tap the Save Logic button to apply logic to the questions. Let's set up the logic jumps for the yes selection, which appears immediately if yes is chosen for work experience. Add follow-up questions related to work experience for the options: Senior Software Engineer, IT Project Manager, Data Scientist, and Systems Architect. If the user selects no in response to the experience question, they will be asked to specify their level of education and add follow-up questions regarding the job title for the options: bachelor's degree, master's degree, and doctorate. The same method is applied for all questions on the form. After completing both sections, add common questions shown to all applicants about their preferred mode of working, and connect the common questions to both sections. Once you've completed your form and are satisfied with the logic jumps, save your work and submit the form. And that's how you can add logic jumps to a job application form. Now you can share the form with your users. They can enjoy a smooth, personalized experience when applying for a job. Enhance your productivity with this SurveyHeart Premium feature. Thank you.